Welcome to Unseen Aircrafts, a thrilling realm where unseen aviation occurrences are explained to and how they happen. In today's video, we will explain a collection of exclusive events, showcasing the unseen wonders that defy the boundaries of the sky. In a daring incident, this aircraft executed a challenging landing and encountered a compressor stall. This phenomenon occurs within jet engines and is characterized by disrupted airflow due to aerofoil blades within the compressor experiencing an aerodynamic stall. Such a situation arises when the angle of attack of these blades surpasses their critical angle, causing one or more rotor blade stages to fail in efficiently passing air to subsequent stages. As the demand for air travel continues to soar, airports are expanding at an unprecedented rate to cater to the surging number of passengers and airport traffic jams. This expansion has enabled two or more planes to land or take off from the same airport at once. This video shows an extremely rare parallel landing of two Airbus A350 at San Francisco International Airport, one of the busiest airports in the world. In the realm of aviation, plane racing emerges as one of the unseen spectacles. This aviation feat, marked by its inherent difficulty and perilous nature, often lurks in the shadows of more conventional air activities. However, within the confines of a captivating video, an A321 steals the spotlight as it fearlessly overtakes a B777 at an alarmingly close proximity, orchestrating a spectacle that transcends the ordinary and ventures into the extraordinary.